Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a lipstick review. Lipsticks which I'm going to review in today's video are from the brand Disguise Cosmetics. So I've got these two lipsticks from this brand. This one is their bullet lipstick and this one is liquid lipstick. So I'll be sharing the swatches of these two lipsticks I have and my review about this lipstick in today's video. I wanted to try these lipsticks from a really long time. I think मैंने अपने wishlist वाले video में भी share किया था that I wanted to try these lipsticks, but I was looking for some discounts on this lipstick, but there was no discount coming on. And then finally I saw someday on Nykaa, I think 5% or 10% discount on this lipstick. It was not much, but still it was a discount. And generally इस पे कोई discount आ ही नहीं रहा था, तो that time I bought these two lipstick and I was trying this lipstick. So based on that, I'll be sharing my review about these two lipsticks in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. Let's first talk about this brand a little bit. So this brand Disguise Cosmetic is an Indian brand. This is a totally cruelty free brand and 100% vegan. और उनके जो product है वो paraben free भी हैं, तो that is a good thing. Now let's start with this lipstick. This is their bullet lipstick. So it comes in this kind of packaging. The packaging is really good. It comes in this cardboard packaging and all the details are mentioned on the back side of this packaging. So this lipstick is their ultra comfortable satin matte lipstick, and this one retails for 500 rupees, and the shelf life of this lipstick is 3 years. And here you can see this is paraben free, cruelty free and 100% vegan. Here they also say that our signature toxin free lipsticks are enriched with avocado and marula oil, known to soothe and heal lips, keeping them healthy and hydrated. And what else? So they have mentioned all the ingredients as well on the outer packaging. So that was about the outer packaging. And okay, by the way, shade is also mentioned here. So the shade which I got is 0408. So when you take out the packaging, this is how the lipstick looks like. तो the packaging जो है इस lipstick की वो काफ़ी अच्छी है. तो it comes in this mint color, green mint color packaging. I really like the packaging of this bullet lipstick. So here you see Disguise is written, and then here you can see the shade of the lipstick. So on the inner packaging they have mentioned the shade and the amount you get in the lipstick, but they have not mentioned the expiry details here on the inner packaging. That's bad actually. How will you know that when your product is expiring, because you won't be keeping the outer packaging with you? At least I don't keep the outer packaging with me. So anyway, it looks like this, and when you open it, this is how it looks from inside. So this is a bullet lipstick. So overall the packaging wise the lipstick is good. So I purchased only one shade. So let's see the swatch of this shade and then I will share my review about this lipstick. So it's a satin matte lipstick and it looks like this. So you can see it has little bit of glossiness to it, obviously because it is a satin matte lipstick, and the color what you get in this lipstick is good. You get a good pigmentation. I won't say that it's highly pigmented lipstick, but the color is good and you'll get a good pigmentation on your lips in single swipe, but you'll have to go over multiple times to get a full coverage on the lips. And this lipstick glides on really smoothly. It's very easy to apply this lipstick. There won't be any tugging or pulling involved. It's very creamy, so it will be very easy to apply on the lips, and since it's creamy, it's very comfortable to wear on the lips. And it's not a transfer proof lipstick. It will easily transfer, and actually it transfers a lot. So that's why it doesn't stay for a really long time. Maximum it will stay for 4 hours, and if you are eating or drinking something, it will fade away even earlier because it transfers a lot. This lipstick has a very weird kind of strong fragrance to it. At least it's very strong for me, and this lingers on, so you will be able to smell that for the whole time you are wearing this lipstick. So that was not very comfortable for me because it was very strong for me. Apart from that, this lipstick doesn't taste good. तो जब आप इस लिपस्टिक को वेयर करते हैं, यू विल बी एबल टू फील कि यू आर वेयरिंग दिस लिपस्टिक ऑब्वियसली, एंड it doesn't taste good, it tastes really really bad. So I didn't like that also about this lipstick. So overall I actually didn't like this lipstick much. It transfers a lot, it doesn't stay for a long time, it tastes bad, and it has a very strong fragrance. So because of all those things, I didn't like this lipstick much, and this retails for 500 rupees, which is too much I guess, because it's not a long lasting lipstick. और इतने प्राइस में आपको दूसरी लिपस्टिक्स मिल जाएंगी which perform better than this, like Maybelline की creamy matte lipstick, Nykaa की creamy lipsticks, और you can get liquid lipsticks as well in this price, like Maybelline की ही जो sensational creamy lipstick है, sensational liquid lipsticks हैं, आपको वो मिल जाता है 349 और समथिंग में, और वो काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक स्टे भी करती है. एक्चुअली देर आर मेनी लिपस्टिक्स व्हाट यू कैन गेट इन दिस प्राइस, इवन फॉर लेसर प्राइस, विच विल परफॉर्म better than this lipstick. So I really don't like this lipstick, and I won't recommend you guys to try this. This is total waste of money I guess, according to me. So that was about the bullet lipstick. Now let's talk about this liquid lipstick. So this one is their Featherlight Matte Liquid Lip Cream. This one retails for 700 rupees, and you get 6.8 ml of product in this, which is a very good quantity. You generally don't get this much amount in any liquid lipstick, so that is a really good amount. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging, again cardboard packaging, काफ़ी basic सी packaging है इसकी, and all the details are mentioned on back of it, price, expiry and everything is mentioned. So the expiry, the shelf life of this lipstick is 2.5 years. जो दूसरी वाली थी उसकी 3 years थी, बट इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ है 2.5 year. और यहाँ पे सारे ingredients mentioned है, and they say about this lipstick is that matte yet comfortable with our favorite soothing, healing and absolutely skin loving avocado and marula. So basically इसके अंदर भी सेम avocado and marula oil है जैसा वो bullet lipstick में था. I think इसके अंदर उसी marula oil की smell है, I don't know, I am not sure because I don't know much about this oil. So this one is also cruelty free, 100% vegan, and there are no parabens here, and the shade which I have is 32 Nostalgic Rose. Yeah, so that is the shade. So shade is mentioned here. Now let's open it and show you. So this is how this looks from inside. The packaging of this lipstick is really good. This packaging is really unique. मैंने इस तरह की packaging किसी और lipstick में नहीं देखी है. And here you can see the name of the lipstick is written, and यहाँ पे shade mentioned है. I hope you can see. तो यहाँ पे shade mentioned है which is 32 Nostalgic Rose, and यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने price mention किया हुआ है. No sorry, price ही mention किया हुआ है, amount mention किया हुआ है, and यहाँ पे उन्होंने actually expiry detail mention की हुई है, like here it says use before the date. So that's good. मतलब इस पे उन्होंने एक्सपायरी डेट एक्चुअली मेंशन की हुई है. लेट मी सी इफ आई मिस टू सी दैट हियर. नो, इस पे नहीं है. या दे डोंट टॉक अबाउट एक्सपायरी ऑन दिस वन, बट इसके ऊपर एक्सपायरी डिटेल मेंशन की हुई है, विच इज़ रियली 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 गुड. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट हैविंग दिस डिटेल ऑन द इनर पैकेजिंग. तो इस तरह की पैकेजिंग है इसकी. ये एक्चुअली ट्रांसपेरेंट पैकेजिंग नहीं है, दिस इज़ जस्ट अ कलर, एंड यहाँ पे ये मिंट ग्रीन कलर का लिड है. And when you open it, so there is one problem with this. It's very difficult to take out the wand. It's very tight. Yeah, so this is how the wand looks. You get this TA drop kind of applicator here. So that was about the packaging and all. So I got this one shade in this lipstick as well. So let's see the swatch of this shade, and then I will share my review. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पैकेजिंग ओनली. बाहर से इसकी पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है, बट व्हेन यू टेक आउट द वॉन्ड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक आउट द वॉन्ड. इस बार इजीली निकल गया, बट जनरली इट्स वेरी इजी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक आउट द वॉन्ड. एंड द एप्लीकेटर व्हाट यू गेट इज़ अ टीयर ड्रॉप एप्लीकेटर. इट होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, तो आपको बार बार डिप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है एप्लीकेटर को, एंड यू कैन गेट अ प्रिसाइज एप्लीकेशन एज वेल विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एप्लीकेटर. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज जो वॉन्ड है इसका वो काफ़ी बड़ा है. यू कैन सी इतना बड़ा वॉन्ड है, तो इससे लिपस्टिक अप्लाई करना काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो प्रिसाइज एप्लीकेशन मिलना मुश्किल हो जाता है. ये जो एप्लीकेटर है ये अच्छा है, मतलब इसका जो टिप है वो अच्छा है, तो it should be easy, but because of the length of the wand it's a little difficult to apply this lipstick and to get a precise application, and निकालना और वापस अंदर डालना is very difficult. That's what I don't like about the packaging of this lipstick. So obviously it's a liquid lipstick and it has a velvet matte formula, and this is how it looks. So you can see you get a very good pigmentation with this lipstick. The color what you get is really opaque, and in single swipe you can get a good pigmentation, but again you'll have to go over multiple times to get a full coverage on your lips. But it's very easy to apply this lipstick, and it's not very liquidy or watery because it has a velvet matte kind of formula, so it's very easy to apply, and that's why it's very comfortable to wear this lipstick. It doesn't dry out your lips. So generally जिन lipstick में velvet काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मूला रहता है, वेलवेट मैट फॉर्मूला रहता है, वो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल रहती है और नॉन ड्राइंग भी होती है. तो थोड़ी बहुत ड्राई है, टैट बिट ऑफ ड्राइनेस यू विल फील ऑन योर लिप्स, बट इट वोंट dry your lips a lot. It will be comfortable to wear. Now I won't say that it's a complete transfer proof lipstick, but it transfers very less, so it will last for a pretty good time. It will easily last for 5 to 6 hours, but if you are eating something or drinking something, it will fade away from the center part of your lips, but still it will last for a good amount of time. So this lipstick doesn't have that kind of weird smell like जैसी वो bullet lipstick में थी, उस तरह की weird smell नहीं है. It has a very sweety fragrance to it. ऐसी mostly lipsticks के अंदर आपको fragrance मिलती है, वैसी ही fragrance है, उतनी strong नहीं है, तो it's fine. Now about the price point of this lipstick, this retails for 700 rupees, which is little more, but the formula of this lipstick is good, I guess, and this is a Indian brand. It's a cruelty free brand, 100% vegan. Considering all those things, I guess it's fine. And if you don't want to spend 700 rupees, you can also look for discounts like I did. मतलब आप discounts का wait कर सकते हैं, and then when there is a discount you can purchase this lipstick if you want to try this. One good thing which I forgot to mention actually, there are very nice shades available in this lipstick, and जो भी shades available हैं they are very friendly for deep skin tone. तो Indian skin के लिए, deep skin के लिए ये जो shades इसके अंदर है वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, तो दैट वे दिस इज़ रियली गुड. शेड रेंज बहुत अच्छी है इस लिपस्टिक की. जनरली उस तरह के शेड आपको दूसरी लिपस्टिक में नहीं मिलती है, मतलब ऐसे ज़्यादा शेड्स आपको नहीं मिलते हैं दूसरी लिपस्टिक रेंज में विच आर फ्रेंडली फॉर डीप स्किन, बट इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे ऐसे शेड हैं आपको मिल जाएंगे. तो द शेड रेंज ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक इज़ रियली गुड फॉर डीप स्किन पीपल. सो ओवरऑल अबाउट दिस लिपस्टिक, दिस वन इज़ अ नो फॉर मी एंड आई वोंट रिकमेंड you guys to try this, but you can totally go for this lipstick. This is a good lipstick and you get a very nice shade range in this lipstick. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this review and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.